My mind is restless. I cannot focus on any task for long. The mind, vital energy prana and semen virya are deeply interconnected. If our celibacy brahmacharya is strong, the mind remains calm and focused, and prana becomes powerful and subtle. However, if semen is weakened, the mind becomes restless and unsettled, while prana becomes weak and feeble. Whether one is a householder or a renunciate, self-restraint is essential. Until marriage, complete celibacy should be maintained. The importance of semen and celibacy. If we understand the significance of semen and celibacy, our lives can be free from many difficulties. Spiritual power arises from semen itself. When we practice celibacy and immerse ourselves in devotion, divine energy is attained. Even though sage Kashyap was a householder, he observed celibacy for 10,000 years, as a result of which Garuda was born from Vinata's womb. Garuda was so powerful that he could lift the entire universe on a single wing. Even in household life, one can conceive intelligent, wise, and strong children by practicing restraint and devotion. However, in today's society, interest in celibacy is declining. People have become engrossed in entertainment and indulgence, leading to the loss of mental peace. The reason for lack of enthusiasm among youth. Nowadays, a lack of enthusiasm is observed among the youth. Many suffer from depression, anxiety, and stress. The primary reason for this is the depletion of their inner strength. The mind remains unnecessarily entangled in fear, sorrow, and worry, increasing negativity. By practicing celibacy, the strength can be regained. Celibacy is undoubtedly difficult but not impossible. It provides not only physical strength but also spiritual power. Even if one fails repeatedly, one should keep trying and resolve to conquer it. Saints and sages are able to perform intense austerities because of their mental strength. Waking up early and exercising for celibacy. Today, our environment, diet, visual stimuli, and auditory inputs have become polluted. If we watch and listen to impure content and act upon it, how can celibacy be preserved? However, it is not too late to correct this. Everyone should exercise regularly because celibacy cannot be maintained without exhausting the body. Physical exercises like push-ups, squats, and running help keep the body healthy and the mind disciplined. If one continues to sleep late in the morning, how can celibacy be practiced? Wake up at 4 am, take a bath, and exercise for at least half an hour to an hour. This will illuminate your life. Household life is not ordinary, it is a great responsibility. If the body is unhealthy and thoughts are impure, this responsibility becomes even heavier. Even a short period of indiscipline can make the body weak, leading people to call a person lazy and sluggish. Attaining concentration through celibacy. Celibacy is the ultimate austerity, the greatest wealth, and the supreme concentration. Concentration arises from celibacy. If celibacy is strong, whether the eyes are open or closed, the mind remains steady, and all energy is directed toward the point of focus, whether in devotion or worldly tasks. Today, people have distanced themselves from physical labor. In the past, farmers plowed fields and were immensely strong. They ate heavily but could still endure hard work. However, increasing reliance on machines has led to bodily weakness. We must protect this valuable body. Even while living in the material world, we should move toward God. At the very least, we should not fall from whatever spiritual height we have attained. Since we have received this human birth, we should make it meaningful. Avoid bad habits to maintain celibacy. Today, people have fallen into the traps of meat consumption, alcohol, gambling, and other vices which destroy life. Therefore, special caution is needed in youth. Maintain a pure diet, listen to spiritual discourses regularly, and practice self-restraint. This is the true path to upliftment. Be vigilant, live a disciplined life, and achieve your goals.